Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today, Ann is driving, and she is naming her new dish.
I don't know how to name it, so I really need help.
Okay, and I am kind of calling it sort of Ann's version of a puttanesca, a pasta puttanesca. But we will see how it lands, and we'll be up for what you want to call it.
And we're counting on Wade, especially.
Okay, so first thing I want to say, though, before you even get going, is she wanted to start cooking her mushrooms when we started our intro, but as you might see in the bloopers, we had a couple of oopsies on our intro.
I love you, Jane.
I love you. Okay. Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Esselstyn.
So her mushrooms are actually, can you describe what's happening to your mushrooms back there?
Yeah. The key thing is this is one package of mushrooms, and I just put them on to cook. And they are not quite ready yet, but when they are totally looking like these in the very center.
You mean they're releasing all the fluid?
Right.
Okay.
When they've released their fluid and are looking a little tired. Well,
cooked through and through, yeah.
Cooked. Then comes the magic, and I'll just wait a second. We'll just do a little jumping jack.
You think it's ready, Mommy?
Yeah, I mean, you see they're all looking kind of ready and cooked. Now, this is the magic for me. I'm going to take some of my balsamic vinegar. This is the olive tap 4-leaf, and I am just going to pour this on top. And then...
That was about like a tablespoon or so, I'd say?
Yeah, flip them.
Oh, it smells great.
And now they are done, and I am going to put these aside in, where's that?
Right here?
Whatever, in something.
Here, it's up here.
Well, but then I'm going to go back to there. I'm going to put those aside.
In a pan or a pot. Got it.
And then in my pan, I am going to put, right, I'm over here. I'm going to put a cup of water, a non-dairy milk. This happens to be plant-strong almond milk. And into this, I am going to put about a 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. And I am just guessing that. And then, Jane, will you put a tablespoon of, no, I would like a tablespoon
of your toasted onion?
Of onion.
Onion powder?
Onion powder and
look at this.
powder.
Can I say this? Look at this. Burlap and Barrel calls it toasted onion for their oh, yours is the same as me. It doesn't come out.
Just give it a little nudge.
A little nudge. A tablespoon?
Yeah.
Okay, it's really packed in there. I open my stuff over a wet, steaming stove, so it turns into this all the time. So toasted onion, what a brilliant name. There's single source, and then another tablespoon of the striped garlic.
Yep. And then I'm going to put in a little 4th teaspoon of red pepper flakes.
So in here so far we have plant-strong milk, or just a plant-based milk, some onion powder, garlic powder, some nutritional yeast, and
then I'm going to put in some miso.
Pepper.
Jane, I think you have miso.
How much miso do you want?
A tablespoon of miso.
Okay, I think I have some miso. It's usually in the back of my fridge.
Gonna just want to get a little bit thick, and if I want it thicker, I can simply add a little more nutritional yeast.
I don't know if I have miso.
Well, we won't worry about the miso.
But if we don't have miso, you know what I like to use sometimes?
Now into this, I am going to put, wait until you see what I'm putting. It's this so exciting. I'm going to put a cup of frozen peas.
I have found so many things besides miso.
And then I am going to put in about a cup of edamame. This is the only edamame I could get that was shelled, that they were out of their frozen shelled. But this is lovely. I'm going to put in about a cup of that edamame. And then into this.
If you're going to put miso in, I'd say put in a tablespoon of tamari.
All right, that's fine. No, that's good. And then I'm going to put in about half a bag of frozen spinach.
So can we pause and list all the things you put in so far?
You may, and I will list them. I mean, I will show you them. There's a little hole that spinach has to go through.
Okay.
Look at that. I mean, come on. Can you believe how gorgeous this is?
So then you have peas in there, and you've got edamame in there, and you've got spinach.
Right.
Anything else? Oh, we put some tamari in because we didn't have miso.
And now, I am adding my chickpea pasta. And this is from
Banza elbows.
I love these little tiny pastas. And so in there goes that. And then I'm going to put the mushrooms in. And by golly, I'm almost done. I mean, isn't this a remarkable dish? You just have to let it get heated through.
And then what about the mushrooms, though? What are we going to do?
Put them in.
Oh, you put them over here to keep them warm. Okay.
Well, I was going to, that ended up being too small.
So in they go.
And you see, all of the lovely balsamic vinegar from the mushrooms in here
is combining with the...
Combines with this all. And if it needs more taste, you can simply add some more balsamic vinegar.
Or Wade, what would you add?
Oh, I know Wade. He would add a ton of sriracha, right?
She nailed it.
Nailed it. Okay, well...
That's it. I mean, this is why I think this is such a cool dish.
And this is why,
And
I can speak to the camera now, while Ann is finishing up heating that. So this is a classic, like kind of what I grew up with kind of dish with my parents, or my mom cooking, is she would always take whatever grain we were having and add so much more vegetables. And our pasta sauce was always so thick you could walk on it. It was full of mushrooms and spinach and kale and peas and carrots and corn. Just because you can always add more vegetables, more greens wherever possible. So that's why I'm kind of calling this a pasta puttanesca, because it feels like it's this pasta with all this stuff with it. And I'm ready to try it.
don't you think green should be in the title? No, you don't think so. I don't know. Wade?
Green puttanesca?
I don't know.
Well,
I'm getting bowls out to try.
Whatever it is, Essie and I love it. And what I love about it is that it's so quick to make. It's just in a flash. There, it's done. And you can flavor it any way you want.
All right, so can we bring it over? It's sizzling hot. Do you put nutritional yeast on top, or you're going to put this on top? I spy with my green eye. This is go on top of it?
Yeah.
On the bowls or in there?
Well, let's just do it in here. This is pretty.
This is really pretty. You know what I want to add on that? Hold on, Mommy.
You know what would be really good? Yes, I was going to say, we should do...
Wade thought the same thing.
No, what would be awesome in here is to put these cherry tomatoes, bake them a little bit in the oven until they just begin to pop, and put them on top. They would be so pretty in here. Jane,
yes.
Great. Okay. Here we go.
Do you get a little bit of the sauce in with these
I'm
bites?
giving you a little, and I'm making sure we got a little bit of...
Well, I can add tomatoes from here.
And you know something? In the future, when I make this, I'm going to put cherry tomatoes in the oven and bake them for a little bit, roast them, and when they begin to get soften, put them in at the end, and they will be awesome in here.
Wait, I put a little extra nutritional yeast on yours. Do you mind?
Perfect.
I thought it
And
looked pretty
Wade,
on top.
I've got to give you some sriracha for yours.
Oh, yes, sriracha. Here, I hope this is enough sriracha for you.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Hot. I can't do hot. I have to wait for a second. Want some nutritional yeast on yours, Mom?
Let me just try it plain.
That's a good call.
See, it's good.
This is delicious.
But I love it's just so quick.
It's so quick and it's so loaded. We're gonna have decided the title by the time we finish tasting this.
You know what? I
And
forgot
even
the
though we've
pepper. The pepper is good in it.
Black pepper would be great in there. Look at a bit of turmeric in there.
Oh,
Oh,
you see, you can do anything.
All right.
Everything. Just
All right.
load it up with the things you like.
What else would you load into your pasta? We've got turmeric we want to add. We've got cherry tomatoes. What was it? We just came up with one. Black pepper. So on and on. All right. Cheers.
Bye.